आदाब दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सबसे पहले सबको बहुत बहुत ईद मुबारक। आज ईद का मौका है। देखिए हमारी तैयारियां, हमने मेहंदी भी लगाई है और अपने अहबाब दोस्त सब आ रहे हैं मिलने। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब भी इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे अपनी फैमिली के साथ। तो आज हम एक अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे आप सबके साथ। आई होप यू लाइक इट। लेट्स गो फॉर द अनबॉक्सिंग। तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं ये है निंजा का कॉफ़ी मेकर। ये फरमाइश थी मेरे हस्बैंड की, इरफान की। ही इज़ अ कॉफ़ी ड्रिंकर। सो उन्होंने ये ऑर्डर करा। रमज़ान थे तो हमने ये अनबॉक्स नहीं करा था और मैंने सोचा आज हम अनबॉक्स कर रहे हैं तो देखेंगे। तो ये देख सकते हैं काफ़ी ये वो लग रहा है कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड क्वाइट एडवांस। सो इट्स लाइक it has espresso, cold brew, filter coffee, all in one. So I think you can use it for like with the granules, and also you will have pods. So let's unbox this. हमारी एक है बहुत मेरी दिल पसंद दिलबीर। उन्होंने अभी कहा कि दीदी वीडियो जल्दी बनाई है, पतीला मुझे देख रहा, उनको पतीला धोना है तो मैं क्विक वीडियो बना रही हूँ। अच्छा, मैं अब इसको लेट्स ओपन इट। उप्स, सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस एंड आई एम ओपनिंग इट। Here. Ooh. Oh, so it has, oh, you can see it has a starter kit. Okay, so let me take all of these things out and then I'll show you. So guys, अब हम इसको reveal कर रहे हैं। Dun, dun. So this is the coffee machine. It looks very professional. So let me take this out. So हमें लगता है इस कॉफ़ी मशीन को देख के कि हम छोटा सा एक कैफ़े अपने घर में भी ओपन कर सकते हैं। उसका नाम होगा इरफान्स कैफ़े। सो यू आर ऑल इनवाइटेड टू द कैफ़े। आप देखिए इसमें आई थिंक फ्रॉथ के लिए भी है, फ्रॉथिंग के लिए भी है, एंड आई थिंक देयर इज सम स्पेस फॉर बीन्स। वी विल सी व्हाट इट इंटेल्स इन हियर। ओके, आई थिंक इसके अंदर कॉफ़ी का वो है ब्रू करने का। You know, it's all, you must have seen it in different cafes, like, you know, they do this. So, yeah. And then we have some coffee beans, the starter kit. So let us open that also. Oh, okay. Oh, the I think it's for like if you want single, double, luxe, and that's where you grind the beans. This is for cleaning. So next what we will do, हम इसको यूज़ करेंगे और जब यूज़ करेंगे फिर हम आपको दिखाएंगे इसका। तो yes, this is our new kitchen edition, Ninja. So guys, we will open the starter kit now. This is what we got with the coffee machine. Let's open it. The packaging looks nice. We have some cleaning accessories which I will come back to later. First, we have the portafilter which is used to brew the coffee. This one already has a double shot in it. Then we have a Luxe basket. Then we have a single shot basket for a single espresso. So it's obviously, it depends on what you want. Let's open the cleaning accessories box. We have a espresso machine descaler, couple of cleaning tablets, then water hardness test, a basket cap, and cleaning brush. So that's everything included. Now let's go brew some coffee. दोस्तों, अब मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ इरफान के लिए एक कप ऑफ लाटे with the Ninja coffee machine. So let's start. So we have the portafilter. which we will start. So I'll just show you. This is the single, let me show you this. So this one is the single shot for the coffee. If you want double, then we can use double also. This is double. Yeah, so it's accordingly जो भी आपको पसंद है जितनी. So now हम इस पोर्टाफिल्टर को डालेंगे. कॉफ़ी बीन्स ऑलरेडी हैं इसमें जो हमने पहले से डाले हुए. So let me put this. Okay, so now here the magic starts. Okay, so the current grind size that we want, हमें 18 चाहिए. वैसे recommended 21 होता है, but this much we want. अगर 21 करेंगे आप तो वो थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा coarse होगा. फिर strength, Irfan wants full strength, but otherwise we can change the strength also. So 1, 2 or 3. So Irfan wants 3, so I'm just putting this 3. Then this is a single shot, so it's showing as single because this we are using a single. This is milk type, so if I want dairy or plant-based, we are using dairy. We are making latte. Irfan wants it a bit frothy, so this is for froth. So if I move this, it will move accordingly. It's like how much froth you need. Usually for latte, this is the froth level, but Irfan wants a bit more, so I'll put it here. Sorry, here. Yeah. So now we will start the grind. So let me push this button. अब मैं ये हो गया है तो इसमें देखिए लिख कर आ रहा है temp. So I will use the temper twice, which will level the coffee. So 1, 2. So now, so I've done that. There's nothing written here. So now I will take this out. You guys can see. Yeah, and now I will put this here. See, so I will put it, so there is a dot here, so I will align it here and then I will move it here to lock it. I need a bit more power in doing that. So it's locked now. Then I will start the brew. So it says here, so I'll just So now this has been done. So now the next step is milk. So I have this. So as I'm making latte, so the level should be here. So I have milk. Yeah. And now I will put this back. And now I will start the froth. So now it had a beep, so that means the froth is done. So now I will take this out. So let me just clean this a bit. Now at this step, the rest of it is going. I'm just mixing the coffee a bit, and then I will tap the milk just to get the bubbles even. And now I'm not a professional, so don't judge me on this. I have tried to make something out of this. Irfan? So please have a sip. Is it good?
Very nice.
My first attempt.
Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Yeah. Job done.
Okay.
Job well done.
So I think my man is happy.
Happy to.
On that note, yes, please go ahead, enjoy. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel, and have a good rest of your day. Take care.